There are many ways of improving your English, especially nowadays. With the help of modern technology, it has become much easier in recent times to learn a new language. However, it is worth remembering that some of the tools used nowadays have been around for a very long time. A good example being captions, or, as we like to say here in England, subtitles. You might be surprised to know that the practice of displaying subtitles has been around for over 100 years. During the days of silent movies, captions were used to show what the actors on screen were actually saying. Later on, after the arrival of sound, many movies were given subtitles as a way of widening the market for the movie industry. This allowed people all over the world to enjoy the experience of watching a film. Transcribing the words into text as the actors spoke allowed different languages to be shown on screen, wherever in the world they were being viewed. Of course, subtitles are commonly used to allow those with hearing impairments to follow the dialogue in their own language. You might say that subtitles have many uses, from translating what is said right through to helping those with hearing difficulties. Subtitles are also great for learning a new language. You can watch something like a movie or even a YouTube video whilst following the speech using subtitles. Here on YouTube, there have been many advances made in how subtitles can be used. These improvements have made learning a new language so much easier, as there are now many more options available as to how the subtitles can be viewed. You can watch a video on YouTube in English whilst displaying your own language at the bottom of the screen. There are many translations available from the list of languages. These languages include Arabic, Burmese, Chinese, Dutch, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, Urdu, Vietnamese, and many others as well. I cannot express how important this feature is. Right now you might be watching this lesson with subtitles. Every word I say is there in front of you on the screen. It really is an incredible way to learn any language, including English. I am often asked if it is a good idea to use subtitles whilst learning English. My answer to that is yes, use them if they help. Don't worry about having the subtitles on screen. There are many choices of language to choose from. And of course, you can simply follow along with the English subtitles if you want. Whether you refer to them as subtitles or captions, they are the same thing. They are also the best tool available for improving your reading skills, whilst at the same time boosting your ability to understand English. So never be afraid or worried about using subtitles. Whether it is whilst watching your favourite Hollywood movie or one of Mr. Duncan's English lessons on YouTube. Those subtitles will be available to help you to follow, enjoy, and learn.